Today we have got one Geiger counter from GQ. This is GQ GMC 300E plus. So this device is basically used to detect the beta, gamma and X-rays. So as you can see, this is the device. This is the form factor of a device. This is a handy device. Here is the battery compartment. You get a hanging rope for this, as this is a personal safety device. So in this you can see the CPM, the radiation that is hitting the device sensor. It is in count per minute. If you can just press this button, you can just able to scroll it with the display type. Here is a microsieverts per hour, milli radiation per hour. This is a CPM. So once the device is turned on, it will be showing the radiation which is hitting the sensor. So this device can easily detect the beta, gamma and X-rays. However, using this device, user cannot able to distinguish between the three radiation specifically. So this is the combined value which they got. So the device has got further more feature as a data logger also to record the data in the cloud also. So these are the setups which you can see. If I just click on the exit, so here's the device with the timestamp also available. So this is the USB to type C cable to charge the device. This is the safety guide which comes with the device, which shows the safety readings of the device. Apart from these information, user get the user manual inside the box. Thank you.